mind. She don't know the pain I hold, cause I don't message all the time. Most my brothers doing time, they really slanging that iron. Drugs, pills on roll, my homie died from the fire. I'm in my life for that. Put all my trust into my dogs, who he stepping at. Wanna make it out the trap, I really know it takes some time. Yeah, I said who down the slide, tryna keep my moves quiet. Know them ops gon' find the time, yeah. I said it's fuck the other side, yeah. My brother really steppin', we don't care what all they find. We gon' keep our lips shut, I done prove that every time. All these perks in my pocket got me dreaming of me dying. Inhale, exhale, we feel the burn in our chest. The same type of burn we feel when we be up in the tech. I really let them hollow tips burn right through your neck. Them disrespectful little hoes is really getting they dome check. Swear that I don't even got no time to myself. It really seems like I should drop out, fuck all the help. I know this shit can change my life, yes, fuck how they feel.